welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manifa, and welcome back to my lifestyle.
You know how we go, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it.
Alright guys, let's go. Alright, so as I mentioned in my thumbnail, we will be making our own passion braids from scratch. That means no water wave here, and we're also not going to be using any straws to curl any expression hair to make it look like water wave hair. And it's very easy. Alright, so all you're gonna do, you're gonna make some regular plaits using the expression braiding here. Then you're gonna put them in a basin, add some hot water to them, and then leave them for a while. And then you're just gonna leave them somewhere windy to dry, or you can use your blow dryer. Right, it's just that easy. That is the only curl that we'll be using to do our passion braids. But not to worry, we'll get into that a bit further on in the video, so please stay tuned. And as you can see here, I don't just make one part and then boom, it's straight. All right, so sometimes it really takes, a lot of tries to get the perfect part.
Sometimes I realize I want to me to
So no need to feel sad, no need to feel away if you're partying and it's just not getting to where you want it to be. It happens to the very best of us, and so I know there are persons out there watching my channel who really want to learn how to do their own hair. So just know that this is just something normal, and this is just something that is gonna happen. All right, it's gonna happen. So all you need to do is just practice. Like, that's just it. So as usual guys, I'm gonna stop blabbing just so you guys can watch this section of the video. And as you will realize, I decided to leave a bit more detail in the video as it regards to the parting, so that you guys can follow along, and just see the whole thing. So I will be back in a few. Please do not skip the video because if you do, I will know. Okay? Alright, see you in a few, guys.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. fights and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, thinking in my past, thinking in my dreams. The music I was young and dreaming. I'm so fast, and I don't believe. And I don't believe. Thinking in my past, thinking in my dreams. Thinking in my past, thinking in my past, thinking in my dreams. Music I was young and dreaming. I'm so fast, and I don't believe. And I wish I young and dreaming. I'm so fast, and I don't believe. And I wish I, and I don't believe. Thinking in my past, thinking in my dreams. Thinking in my past, thinking in my past, thinking in my
Yes, ma'am. Look at these parts. I think I did a really good job, and if you guys agreed, please give me a number in the comment section. Rate me out of 10. All right, I'm looking forward to those numbers, so please go ahead to leave me a comment. Now is the juicy part. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna show you how it's done. So we're not going to be using the curly hair just yet. We're going to be attempting to cover this plait that you're seeing with this regular braiding hair. So I pushed the crochet hook through the base of the plait and I just twisted it so it can get onto the hook a lot better. and then I'm just gonna close the hook and then pull the hair through. So after I finish pulling the hair through, I just make sure that the ends are even, and then we're gonna go ahead to start braiding just as usual. And this is not a feed-in. Ooh, 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 look at this hair that we just made. Like I told you, it was very easy. Like you just plait the hair, hot water it, leave it to dry, and unravel it, and boom, it's looking as beautiful as this one. Now I'm just gonna start braiding as usual, and the purpose of the straight hair is to cover my real hair. So while I'm just plaiting the hair, I'm making sure that I'm covering my real hair with the straight piece of hair. And you're gonna plait the hair a bit tightly all the way down to where your real hair stops. Because remember, we're hiding our hair underneath it, so if we should plait it too loosely, then there's a chance that it will show. Alright, so once you get to the part where your hair stops, that is where you're gonna start plaiting very loosely, and I'll explain why a little bit further on from now. So this is what it looks like once we finish with the entire plait. And now I told you, this is the easiest part. Like all you do, you pull the hair apart. And this is the reason why I told you not to plait the hair tightly, because then it wouldn't be looking as fluffy and juicy as this. And this is basically it. Like I just continue doing this all over until I feel like it's okay for me, and that's it. Like that's just it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now I'm just playing around with it, just so you guys can see how it moves. Believe me guys, this hair is so fluffy and it's so nice. Oh my gosh, please let me know if you guys would give this style a try. I don't know if it looks heavy on camera, but believe me, it's really, really light. So much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. So until next time, bye.